Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make French toast. This is a very easy recipe that can be put together for breakfast or brunch. First, crack 2 eggs into a shallow bowl and whisk together. Then add 3 teaspoons of sugar. Add 60 milliliters of milk. Whisk everything together until well incorporated. Heat up a frying pan on low to medium heat and add a small amount of butter to the pan and let that melt and coat the base of your pan. Dip your slices of bread into the egg mixture. Ensure each side is evenly coated and then pop the bread into the frying pan. Cook the slices of bread on each side until golden brown. Once all the French toast is cooked, just pop it onto a plate and serve with maple syrup, fruit, whipped cream, or all three. This maple syrup bottle has a tendency to pour out generous amounts, so I'm trying to be really careful. Now all there is left to do is to tuck into our French toast and enjoy.